What time is it?
I don't know how to use it.
What time is it?
Celebration! Are you wait? Are you ready to say anything?
Hi guys.
Hi.
It's 4th of July.
I'm going to show you fireworks.
Yeah, we're gonna do some fireworks. Little ones that we have, but we have a lot.
We have dragons.
Oh, Daisy dropped some of these guys. Look. Okay, so what do you got here?
Yeah, these.
Party poppers, okay.
And
Dragons.
And
Stink bombs or smoke bombs. I like those.
yeah, but
Look, guys.
Cheyenne had one.
The snakes. Ooh.
Snake.
Yep. And here's Cheyenne.
Papa Sean's fireworks.
Here's Cheyenne. Hi, Cheyenne.
Hey.
Say hi.
Hey. I was trying to
Look at her shirt, guys.
I was trying
Pokemon. If you guys know the biggest Pokemon right there, leave a comment down below and tell us. This is Shannon.
Hey.
Hi. These are Daisy's aunts.
Throw it at Cheyenne. No!
You got her? This is Sharon. Say hi. Hi. Okay, Daisy, ready? Do it. You gotta pull it hard, babe.
Fingers there. And then pull it.
It's a really funny pose, man.
Woo! Here, do one over here.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
I'm gonna. Okay, but wait. Let me just. Okay, good. Okay. Don't.
Woo!
Wait. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, pull! Woo!
I pulled it right down below.
Wow!
What's down below?
Look, it looks like stars, doesn't it?
That wasn't creepy at all.
I think it's called the haunted house.
Yeah, it's called a haunted house.
Ooh.
That doesn't even look scary at all. The haunted house and something doesn't get scary out of it. That's kind of weird.
Wow! Oh, look at the house. That's kind of cool. Oh, look.
Hey.
Whoa, look, it's like a scary house. Wait, Daisy, wait. That's like the coolest part. Oh, that's spooky. Look at the house. Ooh. Guys, you know what movie I made? Yay, sparklers.
I'm doing them.
Daisy, what did I just say?
Baby, you're a brown. I can say. Baby, you're a brown. Whoa, they color stuff.
Yeah, I guess.
Ooh. Hey.
Wow, Daisy, what do you think?
I'm gonna get my laptop.
Do your fireworks dance.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Bye guys.
Guys, we're still here. Make sure you click on some of our other videos on the side or down below if you're on your phone. Bye!